had no idea of what direction to go to or where to go to, who could start me or anything. And then I was introduced to Lisa, and she knew where to go. She took us to QVC.
I mean, it's like amazing. There's just nothing that she does not cover.
Dynamic, wonderful, informative, and created quite a bit of interest for us.
For taking an idea to fleshing it out and getting it engineered and produced and to market.
She's really solid in her craft, and she knows her merchandise and she knows quality. So that's someone that I'm going to, listen and take her lead from.
Those are the qualities that you want to find in somebody that's going to bring you up to that next level.
Before her workshop, I always had these great ideas of what people need, and I used to get this image in my head, but I never go through with it. So after seeing her speak, I wanted to be just like her.
Pulling each other up, 2 hands at a time, and sometimes you got to use your foot.